Welcome to Westcroft Farm and Garden located in Rosario, La Union, Philippines. It's a beautiful hidden gem spanning 3.5 hectares. This incredible destination is a massive sanctuary dedicated to the official flower of La Union, the vibrant and utterly stunning Bougainvillea. Today we're taking you on a visual tour of this local paradise and exploring the global fascination with these magnificent paper flowers as their nickname. First, we pay the entrance fee, 50 pesos, and it's 35 if you're a senior. If you've ever wanted to bring this explosion of color into your own backyard, stick around because we're breaking down the ultimate guide to successfully growing and maintaining Bougainvilleas anywhere in the world. Walking into Westcroft feels like stepping directly into a living painting. What makes this farm so fascinating from a global perspective is how it transforms a hardy tropical plant into a massive curated ecotourism experience. Everywhere you look, there are meticulously manicured Bougainvillea structures, from towering arches to vibrant bushes blooming with rare hybrid varieties. Westcroft serves as an event space featuring beautiful garden backdrops, perfect for weddings or peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's a brilliant example of how local agricultural and floral cultivation can put a community on the global map for sustainable ecotourism. But what exactly is behind this flower? Known scientifically as Bougainvillea and commonly referred to as a paper flower due to its thin, papery texture, this plant is actually native to South America, specifically Brazil, Peru, and Argentina. It was named after Louis Antoine de Bougainville, a French admiral who encountered it during his voyage around the world in the 18th century. Today, it's beloved globally. Walk through the coastal villages of Greece, the historic streets of Spain, or right here in Southeast Asia, and you'll see bursts of neon colors climbing up whitewashed walls and framing doorways. Seeing a massive paradise like Westcroft can make anyone want to go home and plant their own. The good news? Bougainvilleas are incredibly tough, low maintenance, and perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. However, they do have a few strict rules. If you want them to explode with color, just like the ones here at Westcroft, here's your essential care guide. Number 1, sunlight is non-negotiable. Bougainvilleas are absolute sun worshippers. To get those vibrant colors, they need at least 6 hours of direct, unfiltered sunlight daily. If you plant them in the shade, they will still grow, but they will stay mostly green with very few blooms. Number 2, embrace tough love with water. One of the biggest mistakes people make is over-watering. They hate having wet feet, so to speak. They thrive on neglect. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings. In fact, a little bit of drought stress actually triggers the plant to bloom more intensely. When in doubt, hold the water back. Number 3, well-draining soil is key. Because they hate excess moisture, use a loose, well-draining soil mix. If you are planting them in pots, make sure the pots have excellent drainage holes. Number 4, be careful with fertilizer. To get more blooms, use a fertilizer high in potassium or a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Avoid fertilizers that are too high in nitrogen, as nitrogen encourages lush green leaf growth at the expense of those beautiful colored flowers. Number 5, pruning and training. Bougainvilleas are natural climbers and can get unruly. Prune them right after a blooming cycle to maintain their shape and encourage new branches, which is where the next round of flowers will grow. Just remember to wear thick gardening gloves. Their sharp thorns are no joke. Visiting places like Westcroft Farm and Garden reminds us of how much beauty can be cultivated when passion meets nature. If you ever find yourself traveling through the gateway of Ilocos, make sure to stop by Rosario, La Union and experience the breathtaking colors of Westcroft for yourself. What's your favorite color of Bougainvillea? Let me know in the comments below. And yes, we did stop by the restaurant to enjoy delicious pancit, an American-style breakfast, and of course, halo. Everything was delicious. So please let me know if you're able to successfully grow the Bougainvillea. Please remember to like and subscribe to Global Insights. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and see you in the next video.